MMC One-Stop Rental Service Center. Clients' demands. In recent years, MMC has been asked for industrial support on drone investment, technical consultation, research and development. As the industrial drone users not only need to pay the high cost of drone purchase, but also the drone operation cost, such as maintaining the drone, educating the end user, hiring pilots, customizing the payloads. MMC One-Stop Rental Service Center solution. In order to remove these practical barriers, MMC provides Rental Service Center. It is cost-reducing, time-saving, efficiency-increasing, and high rate of return. Successful case in India. Benefits. Industrial drone renting. MMC will provide suitable industrial drones, VTOL fixed-wing drone, heavy payload drone, mini foldable drone, hydrogen fuel cell drone, tethered drone, waterproof drone, etc. Free maintenance service. MMC will provide repair and maintenance service for drones, including crash repair. All cost is on MMC. Free pilots. It takes time to learn how to fly a drone for industrial applications, while MMC will arrange professional industrial drone pilots to assist the local partners. Customized drones and payloads. MMC will take on the cost of customizing the drone for customers, developing the right payload for your specific needs. Professional demo and on-site support. MMC can provide professional demo and on-site technical support according to your requirement. In 2015, MMC started the Trial Service Center in India. KEC, the flagship company of RPG Enterprises, is the largest industrial conglomerate in India. Kunal Mohanty, General Manager of Powerline Stringing Office from KEC, said, "Thanks to the MMC drone, we can bring power to the local residents in so high mountain within such a short time and lower cost. We will continue to use their drone as Powerline stringing tool in rough terrain." After the great achievement in India, MMC has set up more centers in other countries: Indonesia, Germany, Russia, USA, and Malaysia, where you can find MMC's full inclusive drones, including A6 Plus, Hydrone 1550, T-Drone 1200, Mars 800, Mercury 480, Spider, Swift, payloads, zoom camera, oblique photography, searchlight, eye drop, cartridge launcher, gas detector, megaphone, etc. Meanwhile, the local enterprises have benefited from our service in fields like forest, electricity, traffic, wind farm, oil, agriculture, police, utilities, environment, mining. Cooperation. MMC's primary advantage lies in the reliability of hardware solution customizing. We are looking for rental center partners for a better industrial drone future. Contact us. MMC is limitless.